Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add canvas to your videos or photos in Capcut PC. So it's super simple and for example I'm just going to add a video to the track, and to see the canvas you can resize, change for the scale like this, and to change for the canvas you can select basic, and at the bottom you can see canvas option, just on it and select canvas option, just blur, color, or style. And for example I'm going to select style. You can select this style you like, available here, just download it, size, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.